Good morning and welcome to our TCS News Bulletin. We are the students of Leveni and today we bring you the latest updates from our campus, the UAE international headlines, along with the sports and the weather. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin with the school news.
Here at the Central School Dubai, we have exciting things happening. On the 25th of September, the Culinary Fest was held, where our young chefs showcased their entrepreneurial and cooking skills. Ongoing are the practical examinations for the class 11 and 12th. On the 2nd of October, we observed Swachh Bharat Divas as a tribute to the Father of Nation. Upcoming is the Islamic exhibition, which will be held on the 8th of October. Last but not the least, a reminder for all the students that midterm examinations will begin from the 13th of October. Stay focused and all the best.
Across the Emirates, here are today's top stories. Dubai Fountain was reopened on 1st of October 2025. Driverless pods set to hit Abu Dhabi streets by year-end, says Transport Chief. Flying taxis in UAE. Firms in talks with Emirates for nationwide services. Global Village announces its opening for season 30, starting from October 15, 2025 and to last till May 10, 2026.
Turning towards the international headlines, 5 deaths reported as a 6.9 magnitude earthquake hits Philippines' Cebu. Qatar tells Turkey to join Gaza mediation talks in Doha. GCC railway connecting 6 countries to be completed by December 2030. Trump says generals that US to start a war within.
Today's sports. The Asia Cup final was played in Dubai on September 28th and India defeated Pakistan by 5 wickets to win its 9th Asia Cup title. Dubai Basketball Club will debut in the EuroLeague 2025-26 season soon. The PFL Champions Series 3 is set for October 3rd at the Coca-Cola Arena. And finally, Dubai has set a Guinness World Record with the Moliton.
This is the weather news from across the UAE. Temperatures ranging between 36 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. At night time, the temperatures drop down to 26 degrees Celsius. Humidity ranges from 55% to 60%. Fog engulfs in various parts of UAE. The residents are encouraged to use the sun protection and stay hydrated and plan your day wisely.
And that concludes today's TCS News Bulletin. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to stay informed, stay inspired, and keep striving for excellence. Until next time, this is the TCS News signing off.